Reporting nav systems alignment. Over. Sierra Golf 2, alignment confirmed. Stand by for engine spool up. All systems reporting nominal. Ready for engine spool.
Confirmed. Hangar doors opening now.
This section here manages the heat signature, correct?
Yes, but the fluctuation we saw during ascent needs review.
Let's cross-reference with the fluid dynamics report.
Look at the sensor integration here. The cross-section reduction is significant.
Yes, but what about the heat signature on this manifold?
We need to run CFD simulations on that specific area. This blueprint highlights the interface between the navigation systems and the stealth coating.
Yep.
We must ensure the sensor integration.
Look at the sensor integration here. The cross-section reduction is significant.
Yeah.
That explains the improved low observable profile we saw in the simulation.
The stealth coating application is critical at this juncture.
Agreed. We need to ensure uniform thickness across the fuselage.
This blueprint highlights the sensor integration points. We need to verify the low observable coating integrity before engine start.
Approaching V1. Rotate. Lift off. Gear up.
Throttle set, releasing brakes.
Power nominal. Rotation speed reached.
Lift off. Gear up. Rotation confirmed. Gear up.
Copy that. Speed looks good. Maintaining track.
Spirit 1, you are climbing on course. Spirit 01, cleared for takeoff. Roger that, tower. Rolling now. B-2 Spirit, wind check 270 at 10, cleared for takeoff. Tower, this is Zoom 5-1, rolling. Roger, Zoom 5-1, cleared for takeoff. Airspeed looks good, rotate. Hydraulics check green.
Flight controls engaged.
Cleared for takeoff, Spirit 1.
Tower confirms rotation.
Roger that, initiating climb profile. Stealth 3-5, all systems green, wind steady.
Copy that. Cleared for full speed departure. Good luck.
Systems green, clear for departure.
Roger. Gear up sequence initiated.
Confirmed, gear cycling nominal. Talon 01, wind is 270 at 15 knots, you are clear for takeoff. Roger that, initiating rollout.
Ground crew, clear the area immediately. Confirmed. Clearing the hot zone.
Dark Sword 2-1, you are clear for high-speed takeoff, winds calm.
Roger that. Control. Rotating now.
Gear coming up. Afterburners engaged. Check. Pitching up for the climb profile. Maximum thrust achieved. Engaging climb profile. Confirming high-speed ascent. Gear is cycling.
Systems check green. How are the engines holding up?
Full thrust nominal. We are good to go.
Go power. Check power. Airspeed building rapidly. Spirit 01, winds calm, cleared for takeoff.
Passing flight level 300, throttles coming back.
Power set, beginning the transition to cruise. Systems check green.